how to use promo money on Prizepicks. So here's a step-by-step guide. First, we will log into your account on the app or the website, and we want to check our promo balance. Navigate to your account or wallet section to view your available promo funds. Promo money is usually listed separately from your deposited funds. Now the third step will be selecting your picks. We want to create your entry by selecting players and predicting their performance based on the provided stats. The fourth step is going to be applying the promo funds. So when confirming our entry, Prizepicks will automatically use promo funds if they are available. Promo funds are typically used before your deposited cash. So if you have any promo funds, they'll be used before your cash that you've added to your account. And the fifth step will be submitting our entry, complete the entry process, and the promo funds will be deducted instead of your cash balance. Hope this answers your questions. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.